Emma is 15 years old. She has a rare stomach condition that makes daily life a challenge, and she just silenced 12,000 people with her voice. Gastroparesis affects how her body processes food. Every single day is harder than it should be for someone her age. She walked onto that stage in Maastricht in front of 12,000 people anyway. She chose chanson, a French style of singing built entirely on emotional storytelling. 12,000 people, not a single sound. A 15-year-old girl with a condition that fights her every morning stood on that stage and made an entire arena hold its breath. That is not talent. That is something else entirely.